sky. Up, up in the clouds. The Cloudbabies were very busy.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Phew! This is hard work. Time for a snack. Oh, hello, Rainbow.
Hello, Baba Blue.
Look at all these shooting stars. They're all ready to fling.
Oh, aren't they big ones? We're going to be busy tonight, Baba Blue.
I hope you're ready.
Oh, yes. I could fling anything. Here, test me out.
Bobo! Can't catch me! Watch out, Bobo White!
Oh, you see? We'll fling those shooting stars in no time, Baba Blue. See you later.
Can you manage that, Baba Yellow?
I got this paint for Rainbow, but it's a little bit heavy to carry.
Why don't you ask Rainbow to come over here to be painted?
Oh, what a clever idea, Baba Green. I'll go and get him right away. There you are, son. All shiny again.
Oh, just in time to chase those rain clouds away. I might need Rainbow's help.
I'll go and get him right away. Rainbow! Can you come to the cloudy house?
Oh, hello, Baba Yellow. Yes, of course.
Rainbow! Son needs you at the horsey hay field.
Oh, just a moment, Baba
Come
Pink.
on, this way, Rainbow. Son says to come right now.
Which way do you want me to go?
This way.
I can't be in two places at once, you know. That feels a bit funny.
Whee!
Fuffa no catchy.
Oh, yes, I will, Bobo.
Whoa! Rainbow, you've gone all stretchy.
Stretchy? Oh, sorry, Rainbow.
Oh, hang on. Don't let go!
Are you all right, Rainbow?
I feel a bit, different.
Oh, look.
Oh, what is it? What's the matter?
Here, have a look, Rainbow. See for yourself.
Oh, a knot! Oh,
Does it hurt?
Not at all.
That's good.
Good? I'm all twistity-overy and twizzly-uppity.
Rainbow, what's happened?
He's got a knot. It doesn't hurt, but I think he feels a bit silly.
Can he still fling the shooting stars?
Oh, out of the question. I'm much too wazzly-tangly to do anything. I'm sorry, Baba Blue. You'll just have to find someone else.
Oh, okay. Maybe Baba Green can help. Hope you're feeling better soon, Rainbow.
You're it, Bobo. Can't catch me. Bobo chase. We'll look after you, Rainbow. Won't we, Baba Yellow? I'll paint all your stripes. That will cheer you up.
Off you go. Bye-bye, rain clouds. Away you go now.
Thanks, son. Those rain clouds were making a real mess.
Glad to help. Oh, that's me done for the day. Nearly bedtime. Bye, Baba Green.
Bye, son. That's funny. Where's Rainbow? He's always around after a good shower. Baba Green, can you help me fling these, please? Well, if you want, Baba Blue. But won't Rainbow mind? He loves flinging stars. Rainbow's got a bit of a problem.
Oh, I can't reach the knotty bits. I don't want Rainbow to be all blotchy.
Oh, knottery-tied and blotchy. I don't feel like me anymore.
We've just got to find a way to unknot you, Rainbow. Maybe we could stretch the knot.
No more stretching. Oh, no. Look, I've pulled it tighter.
I think we need to get him to relax.
Relax? How am I going to relax when I'm notified?
Like this.
Oh.
Have you got your fluty toot, Baby Yellow?
Oh, better.
One last try. Here goes. Can't hold it. Just a bit more. Whoa! We were supposed to be flinging the star, Baba Green. I'm trying my best, Baba Blue. It's no use. Without Rainbow, we can't fling any of these shooting stars. Come on, let's go and see if he's better. How's Rainbow doing? Baba Blue really needs him for the star flinging.
Oh, my stripes don't know they're orange from their purple.
Sorry, Baba Blue. We've tried everything.
There must be something we can do to unknot him.
Whee! Fuffa no catch you, Bobo. Oh, yes, I will, Bobo White.
Oh, mind my twisty bits.
Bobo, sorry.
Oh, what just happened? Is it worse?
Look, everyone.
Hey, I'm free! Oh, I'm all smoothy, stretchy. Oh, yes, look at these stripes. Who's the rainbow? I'm the rainbow.
Well done, Bobo White. You fixed Rainbow. Bobo do good. Bobo do very good.
Are you sure you're okay, Rainbow?
Never better. All that laughing has really given me my bounce back. Yahoo! Maybe you should all try it.
Tickle!
It was the happiest star flinging the Cloudbabies could remember, without a knot in sight. High in the sky, up in the clouds, it's morning time. That means it's time for the Cloudbabies to have their...
Breakfast!
Yes, breakfast.
I'm so hungry.
Me too. Hurry up, Baba Green. Bobo yum.
Here you go, everyone. fresh from the Sky Orchard.
Thanks, Baba Green.
I love rain pears.
Scrummy.
Babalicious. These are great rain pears, Baba Green. You can't beat a good rain pear.
Sounds like thunder.
A storm? Now let's see.
Oh, feel the burn.
Well, is it a storm, Baba Green?
No, it's Moon. I think she needs our help.
Hello, Moon. Why aren't you asleep?
Oh, I do beg your pardon, dears. I am so very, dearie me, hungry. It was keeping me awake.
So the rumbling is your tummy?
Yes, it is making a bit of a noise.
I'll say, all this rumbly-tumbly noise is putting me off my exercises. I keep losing count. 1, 2... Oh, see what I mean?
What you need is some of your favourite moon rock to fill you up.
Oh, the moon rock shower was supposed to have arrived last night, but it didn't come.
I'm sure we'll have some at the Cloudy House.
Good idea, Baba Pink. Let's go and look.
Aren't you joining the others, dear?
No, I'm going to stay here and play you a soothing tune on my fluty toot while we wait.
Oops, sorry.
No moon rock here.
Or in here. I can't find any moon rock anywhere.
Rain pear.
Great idea, Bobo White.
Yes, Moon can eat rain pears.
Everyone loves rain pears. Moon is very hungry, so we're going to need a lot. Come on.
Oh, my dear. So sorry.
Can't sleep. Funny noise.
Oh, my. There I go again.
No moon rock, I'm afraid, Moon. But we've got rain pears. Loads of them.
Well, I'll try anything once. Ooh, very nice. Not too sweet, not too sour.
That's it. That's all the rain pears.
Oh, my. I'm sorry, but I'm still hungry.
Twirly Bobo. Cloudy Bobo. Cloudy Bubs. Cloudy Bubs. Find the Cloudy Bubs, Dog. Moorock. 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 What's up with Bobo? What's he saying? Moorock! Moorock!
Look!
Yes, it's the moon rock shower. It's here. It's finally here.
Woohoo! Come on, let's go and get it. I've never seen so much moon rock.
Bobo, help.
Thanks, Bobo. Moon is going to have such a feast. Smells delicious.
But how are we going to get all this moon rock up there for Moon to eat? It's too much for the sky horses to carry.
Sky train!
Here it comes.
Okay, Cloudbabies, fill it up. Ready, everyone? Ready! Moon! Dinner time!
Wait for Bobo. Wait for Bobo. To Moon, donk. Oh, Moon. Look at all that moon rock.
It looks delicious. Oh, and it tastes delicious.
Wow, you're looking better already.
I'm starting to feel better already.
Wow, Moon, you really were hungry.
Oh, that's better. Just one last piece should fill me up.
There's none left.
Rock!
Bobo, here.
Rock! Rock!
Thank you, Bobo dear.
Hooray! Full moon!
Thank you all.
Well done, Bobo.
And you, Skydonk.
So next time you see a full moon high in the night sky, you'll know she's had a lovely moon rock meal and is very happy indeed. Which reminds me, supper time. Then bed.
Good night, Bobo. Night, night.
Who polishes the snow? Cloudbabies. Wipes the cobwebs from the moon? Cloudbabies. Who tells the bedtime stories to the stars? Cloudbabies. Who paints the colours on the rainbow and makes everything look new? Who looks after the sky? The Cloudbabies do.
High in the sky, up in the clouds, it's nearly time for bed. Bubba Pink is giving Sun his bedtime bath. Lucky thing.
There, all done.
Oh, thank you, Baba Pink.
Sounds like you're ready for a good night's sleep, son.
Oh, yes, I am. Good night.
Night, night, son. Are you tired too, Pink Horsey? Just little start to sleep, then home to bed. Whee! Whee! go, little star. Are you ready to twinkle?
Oh, yes! Twinkle, twinkle all night long. Twinkle till the morning comes.
Nighty-night, little star.
Nighty-night, Papa Pink.
Good night, Bobo.
Night-night.
Night-night, Cloudbabies.
Night-night. Night-night.
Night-night. Baba Blue! Baba Blue!
Huh? What?
You're snoring. Try lying on his side.
Sorry, Peppa Pink.
Twinkle, twinkle all night long. Twinkle till the morning comes. Twinkle, twinkle all night long. Twinkle till the morning comes. Twinkle, twinkle all night. Huh? Twinkle, twinkle all night long. Oh, what's that funny noise? Don't like it. Oh. Cloudbabies! Wakey, wakey! Let me in!
What? Little star? What's wrong?
Big rumbly grumble noise in the sky, and I don't like it.
I can't hear anything. Can you?
No.
No.
Well, little star's not twinkling. I want to stay here with you.
All right, little star. You can stay. But just for tonight. Ow! Your points are really pointy, little star. I have to get up early tomorrow to give Sun his polish. Why don't you sleep in Baba Blue's bed?
Okay.
Ow! Little star, I have to get up early to feed the sky horses tomorrow. How about sleeping in Baba Yellow's bed?
Okay. Sorry.
Ooh. Little star, I have to get up early to give Rainbow Stripes a fresh coat of paint. Do you mind sleeping in Baba Green's bed?
Okay. Little Star must be careful with pointy points. Phew.
What was that?
Oh, it's the rumbly grumble noise I told you about. Don't like it.
I wonder what it is. Maybe it's the clouds. Clouds sometimes make a noise like that. Come on, we have to find out or none of us will get any sleep. This way. Come on. The noise is coming from up there.
It's coming from that cloud.
Come on. It's shaking.
What can it be?
Oh!
So that's what's making the noise.
What? What is it?
It's sun.
Sun? It's sun! It's sun! He's making a big noise.
A big snoring noise.
We'll never get to sleep with that noise. What can we do?
Maybe Sun is snoring because he's sleeping on his back, like you do, Baba Blue. But it's okay, because when you turn on your side, you stop.
Oh, I see. We should turn Sun on his side. Good idea, Baba Pink. Come on, let's do it. Ready, Cloudbabies? 1, 2, 3, push! It worked.
You Cloudbabies are so clever.
Thank you, little star. Will you go back to twinkling now?
Oh, yes. Little star will twinkle all night long.
So the Cloudbabies all went to bed and had the best night's sleep ever. Well, almost.